What's Cooking, brought to you by Brunswick.
Hey everyone, Chef Ben here again. Welcome back to What's Cooking on CNC 3. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to make a stuffing. Now you know it's the holidays, so people like stuffing. This one is a breadcrumb stuffing, but we're going to jazz it up with some Brunswick tuna. Yes, you heard me. Let me show you how to do this one. It's really simple and it's a favorite side dish. I have here a pan, it's on medium heat, and to it I'm going to add some butter, just about 2 tablespoons or so. So into my melted butter, I'm going to add my finely chopped onions and a little bit of fresh garlic. I'm going to cook the onion and garlic on its own for 3 to 5 minutes so that the onion releases some of its sweetness. So keep it on low heat. While we're sweating our onions, I'm going to go ahead and open my tuna. For this recipe, I'm using the Brunswick chunk tuna in water. So this one has a bit of liquid in the can, so I'm going to open it, drain out all the liquid and save the tuna. So you can see that our onions have gotten nice and translucent. I'm going to add in some pimentos, and I'm using red pimentos for a nice color. Then I'm going to add in my freshly chopped celery and chive. Next, I'm adding in some sliced mushrooms. Once the mushrooms have sauteed for a minute, go ahead and add in your Brunswick chunk tuna in water that we've drained. To our tuna stuffing, we're going to use about 2 cups of breadcrumbs. So these are nice toasted, seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to pour that right in. I have some vegetable stock, so I'm adding this straight into our stuffing, and you see it's going to absorb all the liquid. Okay guys, so we've cooked our stuffing for about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat off. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And here I have a baking pan. All I've done was I've greased it with a little bit of butter. You're going to go straight into your pan with your stuffing. Now tuna and cheese is a classic pairing. So for this stuffing side dish, I'm going to top it with a little bit of cheese. Once you've topped your stuffing with cheese, just pop it into the oven. This is going to be done in 20 to 25 minutes once the cheese has melted and everything has come together. You want to let it cool. It's not going to cut in nice shapes and sizes until it has cooled down. But when it does cool down, you'll get a lovely stuffing with good texture. If you want to jazz up your stuffing for the holiday season and make something a little different that's delicious as well, why not try some Brunswick tuna in your stuffing? This beautiful piece of stuffing here is the result.
What's Cooking, brought to you by Brunswick.